Muthia mubunge wa hau kabere wa Starehe Muthikabu Margaret Wanjiru ni Ararekereirio kuumaa thibitari-ini wa guku kaunti-ini no ya Nairobi thutha wake guikara guku kwa ihinda ria thiku kenda kuria ararigitagwo thutha wake gukorwo anyititwo ni homa ugwati ya coronavirus.
I have walked out of this hospital COVID virus free. As it is, I am free.
Muthi wa Aramithi tariki 21 niguo bururi wandikithirie andu aingi 80 aria mari na murimu uyu. Wanjiru ari umwe wao, na kuringana nake we ndari na ndariri cia murimu uyu, no ende agikinya thibitari na thutha ucio akionekana ari na murimu ugwati wa COVID-19.
I had food poison and my stomach started running on Sunday night, and I knew I had eaten bad food. Now that food, when I started hearing, I thought, it's over.
Wanjiru augite ati kuri na andu maratambia muhuhu ati we mari hamwe na andu angi na agatheria na kuga ati we ari hamwe na andu a family yake oro undu umwe na aruti a wira wake mucii kuria riu onao ni marikitie kuhona murimu uyu.
The disease found me at home. I had no visitors, and to those who are lying that I had groups of intercessors, people praying there, that is not true. I had only my family members and my staff. And out of my family members and my staff, we ended up, myself, I was positive, and my two grandchildren, my granddaughter and my grandson, and 6 of our home staff.
No ona kuri oro uguo, Wanjiru ni ongereire na kuga ati mahoya maetikia ni mama munyitireire ona gutuika anyitirwo ni murimu uyu thutha wake gutabania mahoya gwake mucii hamwe na andu angi matanyihiire 10, no riu augite ati kindu kia mbere kwamba gucokia ngatho na njira ya mahoya.
Yani watu waliamua Bishop Margaret hakufi, walikatalia hapo.
Hamwe noguo Wanjiru athiete na mbere na guikia ritana kuri ya Kenya kurumirira mitaratara iria gathikitwo ni thirikari ya kuhitana na murimu wa COVID-19. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, njitagwo Njeri wa Wambui.
There is nobody in the church. I'm going to God's altar. Twendeni muone.